Here's my little captain.
Floating on the water.
We have a client coming with an electric boat.
I feel so free.
Should we go to the solar station?
On this houseboat yacht. It's the place to be. 360 degrees.
We just arrived here with the Solar Yacht 30 charging, solar power, sun is coming up and waiting for a client. He's coming with an electric boat. Right there.
Let's make the configuration of the 50.
Let's go back to Marina.
So we had a great meeting on the solar station with the clients. Now we are going to our shipyard after creating an offer for them. Let's see when they are ready to sign. They are interested in the Solar Yacht 50. And in our Solar Yacht shipyard today we have a meeting with an owner of a Solar Yacht 90. Pretty cool project. We will keep you posted about this one. Very nice open layout, and we will go with this boat hopefully in spring from Brandenburg to Berlin. So let's see how is the progress there. We are crossing the bridge now. The shipyard is right over there. We are almost here, so join us. All right, we had a great meeting. It was nice. Niki could join me for all these meetings with the clients. Actually, they are from the beginning. They are with me from the first hull that we delivered here in Berlin. They were very excited to see the process of welding, of assembling the superstructure and the hull. So it was pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Follow us for more boating content.